Flame detection. Required components are Node MCU, ESP8266, flame sensor, and next one is buzzer. Next, connection procedure. In flame, there are three pins. One is VCC, ground, and D0. D0 is the digital output. So connect the three jumpers in VCC, ground, and D0 pin. Next, connect a sensor D0 pin into Node MCU, Node MCU, D1 pin. Next, sensor ground into controller ground and sensor VCC into controller 3.3 volt pin. Sensor connection is over. Next, buzzer. In buzzer, there are two terminals. A long lead is positive and that short lead is negative. So connect the jumpers in positive and negative terminals of the buzzer. Next, connect the positive terminal into D2 pin of the microcontroller and ground pin of the buzzer is connected to the ground pin of the controller. Now connection over. Next, connect the USB cable to upload your program. That USB is connected to the micro USB port of the controller. Once done compiling and upload that program into the controller, let's check our output. Whenever the flame is detected by the flame sensor, that buzzer will enable. So we can hear the buzzer alarm here. The flame is detected by the sensor automatically. That information will send to microcontroller